this idea of building this application is to enhance the farmers' productivity, so that they can get the live stock prices and the money prices from the respective districts. So all these data have been stored in our data.gov, so where we are making an orchestrator. And apart from that, there are certain sub-agents which we use to get these schemes that's being given for the farmers, and then the MSP details. Apart from that, there are certain MCPs which we have included, that is running with the server API, which will do the general search. And apart from that, there is a Notion to MCP which we have integrated with it, like to add the nodes. And so for this data.gov wrapping, to get track those data, so we create a custom MCP and which will do the code for it. So now we will see the demo of this application. So I'm going to the Postman, so where we can see like the cloud run which is being deployed in the GCP. So I'm going to ask a question like some having a printer of black paper, so where I can, what is the price which I can sell it in Kerala. So now when it is being made a call, so in the logs we can see it would be making a call to the AD key, and so we can see the tool name is Mandi agent, so that's a sub agent which is being hit on, and the price and the commodity name and the state is being passed, so which will go into the API and it will start fetching the information, so which we can save over here in the response. So this is the date on 5th of April, so today is 5th April, and you can see the live information about the commodity price over here. So this is one part which we have done, and the another one is suppose if the farmers want to know the schemes, so they can make a direct query, so which will actually call another sub agent, so that is in our case is like a scheme agent. So we can see that all the schemes agent is being called, and this request is being passed, and so this one is being using with the server API, so it will get the information from the internet. So here we can see this information over here, like determining the executive API Kisan scheme. So these are the instructions. So all of content will like will get showed up in a nice format. So for the developers, which is looking at Postman collections, and the one is like they want to crop. So if they want to do something with the crop, so this is one really focusing for the new generation of farmers. So where they don't know like what needs to be done in their land in the upcoming seasons. So during that time they can make a query, so they can go digitally and ask like what questions like what they can plant in their field for the upcoming rainy season. So something like that. So it will make another call to the new agent, the sub agent. So the name is crop agent, and you can see the request is being given here. Should be plus. So for a minute, here we go. We got the information. So here you can see the information is in Malayalam, because this particular query is related to the district in Kerala. So that we got this information in Malayalam itself. So which means that this application is going to be developed in the future, like it will be implemented, so the user can ask the queries and the application. So this is mostly on the details which related to this one. So apart from these MCPs, we are actually storing those information in our table also, like how to see the logs. So what the actual question the user has asked, and what is the is a meta query which we have asked. So these information will be get stored in this doc as an extra step, like if they want to get it calculated. And so these are the things in that this one we will see like one final thing having motion. Making the multi-sessions over here because so many past value and the session ID. So for now we must do that one out. So this one which would obviously make a query to the notion, which would call the notions MCP, and you should see that agent nodes agent is being called. So the information is being started to send it to notion. At the same time we are storing that information in our nodes table as well. So here you can see that latest topic that we have created by insights. So this information is related to also with the tags like which will be get pop-up replacement. So we just see whether we got any information in the code, like we got the nodes here in the notion by insights. So this information is being added up to the nodes, and that's it. So these are the 4 agents which will be used for the aggressive program. So in future it can be developed or with new features like weather